Today in this video, we're going to be designing something like this. Without wasting time, let's do this. Now we are in Photoshop. All we need to do is to work on our background first. So I'll go to my computer. These are the resources we'll be using for this particular video or this particular tutorial. First of all, I would create a rectangle halfway the this way. I think this will be okay. And I'll double click on this layer and apply the gradient overlay to it. I've already saved this particular gradient. This is what I'll be using. So I would rotate it to this particular angle, -180, and I'll press OK. I think this is fine for me. This will work for me. Okay. Now I'll bring the picture or the resource I'll be using for the background. This will be in the background. So I'll take my key tool and I'll crop, pick only this portion of this particular image. So I'll press on Ctrl J to duplicate and delete what I don't want, and I'll enlarge it to fit to this particular point. Okay, I think this is okay for me. All I do is I'll rasterize the rectangle I created first. I have to rasterize this particular layer. Then I'll right click on the layer, click match to the rectangle I created. I'll change the blending mode to soft lights. Now reduce the opacity to 50. Yes, 50 will be okay for me. This is just fine. So all I need to do is to bring in the text. Firstly, I've created this particular artwork of the restaurant name or the owner's name, Mama Z's Kitchen. So I think I'll align this way. And this is too big. I have to reduce it to this particular point. Right. Okay. And I'll add this particular image, this jollof, as a resource down here. Reduce the size to this particular point. At this point, I don't want it to be hanging this way, so all I need to do is that I'll create a shadow. Double click on the layer, drop shadow. Actually, I used to do a trick for this particular effect. So I'll come to the layer, go to the function, then right click on the effects, then create new layer. Okay, so the drop shadow is now on a different layer from the image. So all I need to do is to send to the position I want. I think I will love it this way. Then I'll reduce the opacity a little bit. And this is fine for me. this is too dark for my liking, so all I need to do is just bring this particular lighting effect, reduce it to this particular point, change the blending mode to screen. I think this is okay for me. It's actually perfect. Let me increase it a little bit. Okay, I think this is fine. It's affecting the image here, then a little bit of line. That is just perfect the way I want it. Okay, alright, so the next thing is to add other informations. So I would like to work on it this way, remove my guideline here as well. So this is where I'm going to place the services render. I'll change the color to white, duplicate it, and reduce its width to this particular point. Then I'll change the color maybe just to go to differentiate it. I'll name maybe, I'll duplicate it. I'll hold on Alt to duplicate. Then I'll highlight on all. Then create a duplication. I think this is too wide. Okay. And this is fine, but I have to align them properly. Okay, I think this is okay. It's okay for me. So I'll click on the first rectangle, bring my first image there. She serves Indomie, so that's the first image. I'll be clipping into this into the first rectangle. Okay, then I'll adjust it to fit perfectly in the rectangle. Okay, so I click on the second rectangle, my second image, which is Ghanaian fried rice. I'll hold on Alt and send it in between the two layers. I'll click Max. Okay, this is okay for me. And then I'll click on the third rectangle, bring Jollof image, resize it to what I want, make max. Then I'll bring my last image, which is this, and resize it to my liking, make max. This size. Okay, with this I'm almost done with the design. So now we have to add a contact and the services she render. Okay, so I'll create a rectangle here for the contact label. think I'll apply a gradient effect to this one. Double click gradient effects. I want this particular one. Okay. So this was the contact she gave. I've already typed it in MS Word. So I'll highlight on contact, copy, and paste. The text is in white unless I drag it to this particular point that you see. I actually want to use a font called LC. Let me use the black. Okay, and center align it to rectangle. Then the contact as well, I'll take black color. So I'll use Marshall font for that. I'll pick bold. And I'm going to copy the contacts. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. I think this is to sharply reduce. Okay, I think this is okay. Needs a little bit more. 16, 18. It's okay. Then the services render. I'll apply the gradient effect to this particular gradient effect to this rectangle to okay. Okay. I'll go copy the text. Copy. Then I'll duplicate this. Control Shift, right brackets. And I'll paste the info here. Now reduce the size to maybe 8. Okay. I'll just work on the text and that'll be pretty much it. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done. I think what's just left to okay. go to view color guides. I think this is not aligned properly, so I think I have to highlight this. I think I have to highlight this. Okay. I think this is fine. So guys, this is pretty much it. Okay, I'll just save it. Okay.